Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive for unsupported Windows 11 PC or laptop of Windows 11 latest version. So the now latest version is running Windows 11 25H2. So just open any web browser in the Google. Here you need to search Windows 11 ISO download and open the first link of Microsoft official website. Like this, scroll down at the end. Here you can get the option Windows 11 disk image ISO. So just click on select download button from here. Okay, like this. After this guys, here you need to select Windows 11 multi edition. Just click on confirm, and in the next page here you need to select your language. So just click on choose one, select English United States, and then click on confirm. Okay, and here in the next page, here you need to select 64-bit download. Click on it, so it will start the downloading process. So it will take some time because the file is very big, 7 GB. As you can see guys, it will depend on your internet speed. So I am fast forwarding this process. Okay, as you can see guys, I have downloaded my ISO file. Now you need to download one tool called Rufus. To download this guys, open any web browser on your PC once again, and here in the Google you need to search Rufus 3.17. okay, you need to download this tool only because this is old tool. This tool can make a bootable pen drive for unsupported PC. Open the official website of this, scroll down and find out the Rufus 3.17 version only from this list. Okay, scroll down, here you can get the tool. After finding out, just simply click on that link and it will start the downloading process. So this is very lightweight tool. It will download very quickly. After download guys, close your web browser, all thing. Now you need to connect your empty USB pen drive to your PC. If you have any important data, backup it and connect to your PC or laptop. So just double click and open your Rufus tool. After opening, so it will automatically detect your USB pen drive connected to your PC, and then simply click on select, and then you need to select your Windows 11 ISO file from here. So just select it and then click on open. Now next what you need to do, you need to select your partition scheme, MBR or GPT. If you don't know what is your partition scheme, in the start menu search system information. In the BIOS mode, here you can get your system partition scheme. What is your system scheme, UEFI or MBR or GPT? So just find out from here and then simply open your Rufus tool, select your partition scheme. Here you need to select this UEFI, leave all option as it is, and then simply click on start. So it will start making your bootable pen drive. So as you can see guys, it will asking to format the pen drive. So just click on OK. It will format your pen drive. It will delete all your files from your USB drive, and then it will start making your bootable pen drive. So this will take some time to complete this. So I am fast forwarding this all process. So it will take around 15 to 20 minutes at least to complete this process. Also guys, if you want to know that how to properly install Windows 11 by using this USB pen drive, so please comment down below. I will make a dedicated video how to install Windows 11 test version 25H2 by using this bootable pen drive. If you want this video, please comment down below. I will definitely make out. So this is the complete process to create or make a USB pen drive for Windows 11 latest version for unsupported PC or laptop. So that's it today guys. As you can see guys, our process was successfully completed. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. If you want a video on that topic, please comment down below. Don't forget it. So catch you in the next one.